everybody, and welcome to Shift. Today we're going to be going over one of the wonderful features of Shift, which is Unified Calendar. Unified Calendar is a special calendar that pulls all of your added email-linked workspace calendars into one space. This is going to be super helpful if you have multiple different schedules and calendars linked to different accounts, so you'll hopefully never miss a meeting again. We've all been there, right? So to access this wonderful calendar here, you are going to long hold on this calendar icon here, or you can use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, it's going to be Control-Alt-U, and on Apple or Mac devices, it's going to be Control-Option-Command-U at once. In Unified Calendar, you can look at different days. You can also see all-day events, and you can click on here and select a different day that you want to peek into so you can get a very high-level view of what you've got going on. This is also going to be accessible in your Outlook emails as well by also pressing this Outlook calendar. To ensure that you do see these events in your Unified Calendar, you need to make sure that you are logged into each of these emails that you do have added in as workspaces. And to go even further with that, you will notice that the only events that will actually show up on your Unified Calendar are going to be the ones that are connected to your email address. So, these extra calendars that you have added in or shared calendars won't actually pull up in the Unified Calendar. So that's really important to note in case you do utilize a lot of shared calendars. Those are not going to pull up on the Unified Calendar. The colors that you have added in are going to be the colors that are associated with each workspace. So, in this workspace here, I have a purple, and those are going to be all those purple events and so on. If you don't necessarily like this color combination, you can always change it. So to do that, you will want to head over to your workspace, right-click it, and select Edit Workspace. And here you can change it to a different color, which should reflect in your Unified Calendar. As you can see here, we now have different colors in our calendar. While in your Unified Calendar, if you do have an event here that you want to go straight to, you can click it and it will direct you to the proper workspace associated with that event. It'll bring you to their calendar where you can access the Zoom link, the Google Meet link, whatever you have added in there. We hope that you learned a thing or two about the Unified Calendar and how it works. If you do have any questions at all, be sure to let us know. We are always available at support@tryshift.com for all of your burning questions. We really hope Unified Calendar will help keep you organized and will help manage all of your different schedules and different accounts in one spot. It's really going to help you see at a glance where your attention is needed and help you never miss a meeting again. Thank you so much.